And I've been trying to do the most with my mother's a two-time breast cancer survivor and a colon cancer survivor.
Let's go on the record. Oops, let me pass this one. We are on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Aaron Duggar Barnett. 251494A and A, B, and C.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Neil LeBlanc here on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Duggar, could you please state your name for the record?
And Aaron Michael James, Duggar Barnett.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can you please take that all over again because we only got part of that?
Yes, ma'am. My full name is Aaron Michael James, Duggar Barnett. Hyphenated two last names.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and counsel, today is the time for arraignment as your client is in custody.
Yes, Your Honor. My client waives formal reading, stands mute for charges.
All right, the court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. Schedule this matter for pretrial on October 29th.
11:15.
Hey there, sorry to interrupt the video, but I wanted to take a moment to let you know that TCF is a channel that is 100% human created and human driven. There's so much AI slop out there on YouTube right now, especially in the LawTube space, that I think it's important to point out that every video that we have here on this channel is human created, human curated. We make all the decisions, we do all the editing, it's all us. So if you appreciate that human touch and that human interaction, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Leave us a comment on the video, put a thumbs up. Those things really help us. And if you want even more human interaction, consider joining us for our live show every weekday morning. Okay, sorry to interrupt. Back to the video.
At 11:15 a.m. And counsel as to bond.
Yes, Mr. Duggar Barnett advises that he has never failed to appear for any required court appearance. He does disclose he is currently on probation on a matter from 2024 of Wayne County Circuit Court, third circuit, that is. And I believe he's in compliance otherwise, other than the particular matter here, he is in compliance with his probation. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Duggar Barnett. He is doing the same occupation the last 15 years. He has an LLC where he essentially is a contractor, but he's at the same residence in Wayne Road in Livonia. The address in the files is accurate. And he's been there for 10 years. He lives with family members. He supports two children, ages 8 and 10. And there's another young one in the home that he has some responsibility for. I think it's an infant child and a niece or nephew. He may be able to explain that. He advised me that he takes this matter extremely seriously. He will do whatever the court requires of him, and he will appear. He has requested a personal bond today.
Sir, what are you on probation for?
I had got caught with a pistol in Melvindale. It was not a stolen pistol. It was a friend's gun that he left with me at my house.
Sir, excuse me. I just asked what you're on probation for. I didn't ask for a recitation of the facts. What charges are you on probation for?
For felon and possession of a firearm.
Okay. And what you have a matter from Lincoln Park from last Thursday. What's that?
So I had an ex-girlfriend call the police on me to my shop on Southwood Road in Lincoln Park. She said she just wanted to leave in March.
Excuse me, sir. Again,
I'm sorry.
I don't need a recitation of the facts. I'm just asking if you were charged with anything, if you were arraigned. That's just what I'm asking for, sir.
I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
So
All I
What were
had
you
is a
charged?
simple assault. And the prosecutor picked it up in July. The incident happened in March.
Wait,
So
what about
I'm-
July?
So the prosecutor picked the case up in July for some reason. And March is when the incident happened. So I was never able to take care of it or anything. They put a warrant out for me. It violated my probation. I went to the county and I got it all cleared up. I have bond receipts from there. That's why I'm asking very nicely for a personal bond. And I understand that that's that would be a blessing. I work really hard. I take care of my family. That's all I'm trying to do. And I
So I'm not
promise you,
suggesting you don't, sir. I'm not suggesting you don't work really hard. The concern this court has is that you have prior convictions for the exact same charge that you are charged with now. You're currently on probation, and then you have a pending matter also that you were just in court for on Thursday. And now here you are in this court. And you don't even live in the area, sir.
So my sister is residing on Cedar Street, like literally across the street from the jail. That's my niece's mother. She's just had given birth. She's back doing chemo now for stage 4 cancer. She is debilitated. She cannot take care of herself. So me and my mother is the only people that she has, and we've been in and out, taking turns. And I've been trying to do the most because my mother's a 2-time breast cancer survivor and a colon cancer survivor. And Your Honor, I promise you, my mother's they impounded my truck. My mother's gonna be bringing me to the court date. She's not gonna even let me try to do nothing. Believe me, I don't play around with my mama. I got a white mama. She don't play around with me.
Did you say you have a white mom?
Yes.
And so somehow that is something different in how she parents?
No, I wouldn't say it was something different than how they parent. I just know how she is personally. And I was just kind of giving you a background of who she was, a mixed child. But I promise you, I'll be here at any court date you give me. I have a court date every day for the next month. I'll be here.
Well, sir, the court has to evaluate the safety of the public as well. And given that you are currently on probation, and now here you are with 2 charges within a week, this court is not inclined to offer you a personal bond. The court's going to order a $7,500 10% bond.
Please, Your Honor. Your Honor, my mom doesn't have that.
In the event that you co-sponsor, you're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed.
Oh,
So your charges are fairly serious. It indicates that you had in your possession fentanyl, and which the court has concerns about, especially if you are helping taking care of your sister who has a terminal illness, and the court's unsure if perhaps that's one of the medications that she's prescribed. I don't know. But the fact that you would have additional access to that, the court has some concerns with that. Also, the court is unsure if the court's unsure of some of your story as well, sir. So the court's going to order $7,500 10% bond as to count A, $3,500 personal bond on counts B and C.
So,
Well, actually, on count B.
Your Honor, may I please say something?
What's that,
I was
sir?
helping my sister clean out. My truck was full of things. I had.
No, sir, I hear you talking about the facts of this case. Not a good idea, and your attorney is going to interject at any moment. I'm certain that you should not be speaking about the facts of the case. So we'll see you back on October 29th at 11:15 a.m. Thank you.
Can I have the total of what my bond would be that my mom would have to come up here with, so I can at least call her and give her that information, see if she's.
$750, sir.
Oh, wow. Oh, she's gonna kill me. Thank you, Your Honor. Oh,
Thank
Have a good day. All right, let's go off the record.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.